Walnut Creek's Shadelands Business Park has become a hub for healthcare, business, and education in Contra Costa County. Professionals, along with parents, teachers, and community members, know that CPR training is a vital skill. Whether you're required to maintain certification for your job or simply want the confidence to act in an emergency, our safety training seminars Walnut Creek location makes the process accessible, affordable, and professional. We provide American Heart Association certified CPR, BLS, ACLS, PALS, and first aid classes. These courses use a blended learning model, combining self-paced online modules with in-person practice and skills testing. Participants gain both the knowledge and the confidence to respond effectively when seconds matter. With daily sessions, evening and weekend availability, and same-day AHA certification cards valid for 2 years, our Shadelands location is a trusted choice for healthcare providers and residents alike. Enroll today at safetytrainingseminars.com.